Okay, so all the numbers between 30 and 40, so that means it will be 31 upon 10, 32 upon 10, 33 upon 10, up to 39 upon 10. So this is the easiest way to find out the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So let us start with our first exercise of this chapter. The first question is 0 a rational number? So we all know 0 can be expressed as 0 upon 1, or it can be expressed as 0 upon 2 or any other number, right? So yes, 0 can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q both are integers and the denominator Q is not equal to 0. So what I told is same thing, Q can be any number. It's not necessary it is 1 only, it can be 2, 3, 4 also. So 0 upon 1 is also 0, 0 upon 2 is also 0. So thus 0 is a rational number. So our next question is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So let x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and x6 be 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. If we go according to Dirichlet's property, we will follow the rule x1 will be equal to a plus b upon 2, which is equal to 3 plus 4 upon 2, which is 7 upon 2, right? And in the same way x2 will be a plus 7 upon 2 upon 2. That means we will keep on finding the middle term. Let me find out. So you have seen how I have obtained x2 by the average of 3 and 7 upon 2, that is 13 upon 4. x3, 3 and 13 upon 4, the average is 29 by 8. Then 4 and 7 upon 2, the average is 15 by 4. In the same way you can find x5 and x6 between any two numbers. You can take any number, suppose 13 upon 4 and 4. You can take average of those two numbers also. So here I have obtained average of 3 and 13 by 4. So it is 25 upon 8. Same way 15 upon 4 plus 4 whole by 2 will be 31.8. You can also recalculate and find out number of answers. Okay. And I will be teaching you next method, simple method, in the next sum. Here we have to add up to two numbers and divide it by 2. So it will be little difficult and time consuming. So let us learn the new method. So this one is very small method. We need to find out 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Multiply it by 10 upon 10, the easiest number. So this 3 upon 5 will become 30 upon 50. Same way this also you have to multiply by 10 upon 10. So this will become 40 upon 50. And the numbers between them 31 upon 50, 32 upon 50, 33 upon 50 and so on. Okay, till 39 upon 50. So this is the easiest way you can find out the rational numbers between the given numbers.